Welcome, today in front of me I am a Redmi 10A and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from PowerKey on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the settings application and scroll to additional settings. Then click here to the gestures shortcuts, and now you will see here the launch Google Assistant section. Just to activate PowerKey here, to launch Google Assistant from PowerKey, we should use this switcher. Just click here once, and now by double press toward the PowerKey, and we can see that the Google Assistant is activated successfully. If you want to turn on this option by the same way, click on the switcher once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.